Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have another viewer requested video. They want to know how to remove this chrome trim piece from their cup holder area on their 9th gen Honda Accord. This procedure would be the same for all 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord for both coupe and sedan. Now, the reason why they want to remove this is so that they can either paint it, hydro dip it, or vinyl wrap it, because the chrome piece right here gets easily scratched, and also the sunlight can bounce off of it and kind of be bothersome when you're driving during the day. And so that's why they want to know how to remove this particular piece. In order to take this out, unfortunately, you do have to remove the entire center console of this area. There's no way to just simply pop this out without removing all of this. Now, I do have a detailed video on my channel, which I will link in the cards above and also in the video description below, on how to remove the side trim piece, the center cubby or the nav unit that'll be here, along with this entire center piece right here. So then you can go ahead and take it and remove this chrome piece. All right, so once you remove this piece and turn it around, there's going to be 6 screws, 3 on each side, that you have to remove this piece right here. All right, so these were the 6 screws. And then just lift this up and it'll come off. Flip it over, and this is the piece that you want to remove. So to remove this, so turn it around, and there's going to be an indentation slot where you take your pry tool and push them down towards the black plastic piece, and it will release all the clips that goes all the way around. So there's 2 on top here, 2 in the bottom, 2 on each side, and there's 2 in the middle, so 1 on each side right here. And so again, take your plastic trim tool and just push it down. Push it down, push it down. 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 All right, I have everything released except for the 2 right here. So again, I'm going to push down and push out. And push down and push forward. And it comes undone. And then to reinstall, you just have to line up the little tabs into those corresponding slots and just push it down. Okay. All right, hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.